Okay, guys, we're here. Sorry, I'm kind of fiddling around with the camera. Flame's right somewhere. There he is.
Pop!
No, we're not actually going to shoot the camera. Just tilt the camera.
Growing shot.
Okay. Well, that's enough of that. And, time to,
Growing shot.
yeah. Groin.
I crouched down in front of the camera again. So the first weapons we're using are the battery. Just leave them there. The bullets are out.
Aww. Why, Joel? Why? Oh, that's why it's nice and loose.
So let's go show them. We are using the Phoenix
And the, Flight CS10.
I'm gonna be on this side, he's gonna be on that side.
We're gonna try to kill each other.
Yes. With no cover at all. We will be running around like the shelter and get like cover and all that. But other than that,
We're not gonna have any shelter whatsoever.
when one weapon is out of ammo, we come, grab another, start shooting with that. When that runs out of ammo,
Hey,
use
don't
the other
grab
weapon,
from the
shoot
other
with that.
person's pile.
You can grab your grenades.
Yeah. You have 3, I only have 1. Here, I'll take the half-inch grenade.
This should be a shot.
Yeah, shot grenade.
That's equivalent to like Black Ops 2.
Yeah.
It's long enough to be one, so. We got a shot grenade, flashbang, and frag. Well, I have the flashbang and frag. He has the shot grenade and stun/incendiary.
Okay,
I'm gonna set my phone down.
good idea. Mine's already down.
Oh shit! Spill my drink.
Oh. Let me move my pile over here. So, let's go pause the video real quick.
Smart. Why didn't you do that? We are back.
Yep. I need to grab my gun.
Yes, go do that.
I'm screwed.
Comment down below who you think is gonna win before you finish the video.
This isn't live. I can't go live yet.
No, I'm saying do it before they finish the video.
Yeah. Although we already know who's gonna win. Kinda. The guy with the Phoenix.
The guy with no shirt on.
Yeah, the guy with no shirt on and slides versus the barefoot guy who actually has a shirt on.
Yeah. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, that shouldn't count. That got me on the top of the head.
That was the entire guy shot.
That got me right on the top of the head. That shouldn't count, though.
Huh?
I'm saying that shouldn't count because it was one of the ones that went like this. Essentially.
Well, I was shooting ahead of you. So I could definitely hit you.
Yeah, it just grazed, though.
I mean, I didn't call when it hit my hair, but...
So, yeah, let's not count that one in. Let's just get different guns.
You still have ammo, don't you?
No?
Alright, well, I grab one gun at a time.
Okay. is a terrible choice. That's why I'm not grabbing it. Oh boy. You picked the worst gun, bud. Oh crap. Hi. How are you?
Flashbang.
No.
Boom.
Oh crap. It's not loading. This isn't loading. Crap. Oh crap.
You're not gonna hit me from there.
Oh crap. The same one.
Well, I'm almost on my last weapon.
Same here. Wow.
One, two, three, four. Boom. Got you. I got you with the frag. No, you're dead.
Yeah, so are you. Technically.
I killed you first though.
Didn't even fire.
Because it's not loaded. You're dead.
Yeah. What did I do? Yep. See, I had this, and I tried to use it like that.
It just jammed.
But jammed.
Pick up bullets.
We're gonna pause the video to make this faster.
It's not gonna make it faster, though.
Well, it's gonna make it faster for them.
Yeah.
Sorry if
I'm
you
the
guys got
victor.
hit with debris. For right now. Okay, guys, we're back. We're doing one more round.
2 weapons each. I'm using this.
This is my primary. And then, yeah, that's his primary. He gets the Sidewinder as the primary, and then secondary is that. My secondary is a stupid choice. Yeah, I'm using the
still have
Jolt.
grenades, obviously.
Yeah. Even though I used both of mine.
Well, no, you get them again.
Yeah. They're infinitely reusable.
For each round.
Just like this.
One per round.
Yep. So, anyway, I'm gonna run over there and attempt not to die. Your, Flip Fury's over there.
I know, I tossed it down because I ran out of ammo.
Okay. Well,
You are fucked.
no kidding.
My good sir, you're fucked.
Yeah, that up the tornado and the sniper still has a lot of ammo. Tornado jammed.
Yeah. So they already knew that the tornado had ammo.
Yeah.
It was just jam.
Yep.
Alright.